Hi everyone, I am Stephen Raj. I am from AIDS department and I am studying in Savita Engineering College in AIDS department and I am going to explain the QR decomposition in Python programming course. Let's see about it. First, initialize the matrix. A is the input matrix. Q will store the orthogonal vectors column of Q or perpendicular and have the length 1. U is an intermediate matrix used to calculate the vectors for Q. First column. Take the first column of A and store it in U. Normalize the column, make it length 1. To get the first column of Q, subsequent column. For each remaining column in A, start the column from A and store it in U. Subtract the part that overlap with all previous column of Q to make it perpendicular. Normalize the adjusted column to get the next column of Q. Constructing on initialize or as a zero matrix. For each entry in or commute the dot product between the corresponding column of Q and A. The output print the matrix Q and R. And thank you.